In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sell on Amazon Business. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create a professional Amazon seller account since the free individual selling plan does not include Amazon Business features or Prime eligibility. Visit the official Amazon Seller Central website, choose the professional selling plan and complete your registration by providing your business details, a valid government ID, banking information and a chargeable credit card for identity verification. Once your account has been approved, sign into Seller Central and activate Amazon Business selling features. Go to the B2B Central section, or if it's not already enabled, open Settings, select Account Info and manage your services to enroll in Amazon Business. After that, configure business pricing and quality discounts for your product so you can attract corporate customers and encourage bulk purchases. Finally, to earn the Amazon Prime badge on your eligible listing, you will need to use a qualifying fulfillment method. The simplest option is fulfillment by Amazon FBA, where you can send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers and Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, customer service, and returns. Eligible FBA products automatically receive the Prime badge. Alternatively, if you want to ship orders from your own warehouse, you can also apply for a seller fulfilled Prime SFP. To qualify, you will need to meet Amazon's performance requirements and successfully complete the SFP trial period. Once approved, your eligible products can display the Prime badge while you continue fulfilling orders yourself. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.